Hello guys, today's story is called Bad Things Lead to Good Things. It all starts with me crashing my E36 323. After I crashed that car, I really wanted a new project. I did not want that to be the end of me trying out E36. So I found E36 online and it looked okay. It was a 320 with a 325 engine, and I think it went like 2 or 3 days, and then I went to pick it up with my brother on a trailer because the engine did not start. So that was kind of a bad thing, but I thought that, well, you know what, I will get this started and not to worry about that. So I bought it and we got it home. I thought the camera was broken, so I didn't film anything. I'm sorry about that, but you see the photos of the night we picked it up. So that leads me to that. The 325, which stands here today. It's only been like 2 days since I bought it, but I still haven't got it working. But we can now check it out and see how it is. It's very dirty. I haven't been able to wash it or nothing, but let's go take a look at it. It does not start, as I said, but I have the mighty E46, so that's nice. So this is how it looks right now. It's oil in the engine, it's petrol in the tank, and the fuel pump starts and goes, as I know. But it's no battery in it, but it doesn't start. That's the bad thing. So you see, it is pretty shabby looking. So it's not in perfect condition, but it could be worse. And it is that mighty 2.5 liter M50B25. So yeah, it looks pretty good. So hopefully I will just get it to start pretty soon, and yeah, as soon as I get it to start, it will be very nice to get a 192 horsepower with pure 2.5 liter straight 6. That'll be pretty nice. It got the M3 taillights. That's very nice. The exhaust is not the best exhaust in the world, but it's decent enough. Hopefully it will make some sound, so that'll be cool. I have taken the back seat out so I can get to the fuel pump, which is right there. And yeah, you see here, it got some rust and stuff like that, so that's not so good. And here's the interior, looking okay. Maybe need to change spark plugs pretty soon. So yeah, that's how the car looks right now, and I will get it to start pretty soon. I just need to find out what's wrong with it. I think it's a crankshaft sensor, but yeah, hopefully I will get it to start, and then I can start driving it and get some plates on it so I can use it on the road. Just for now, I'm using this, my E46, and yeah, I'm really excited. I am really excited to have E36 again. So it was very bad that I crashed my E36 323, but lesson learned, need to drive more slowly when it's snow. But as you see right now, it's snowing a lot. It's 1 meter of snow here, and the E36, which my other E36, which was here, see how much snow is this? It's not been so many days since that got picked up, and already it's so much snow again. So seriously, this is the ground, and now we're at the height of the snow, maybe like this. So it's seriously a lot of snow. It's equally high as the car. So yeah, so this is my new project, the E36 325. So I'm pretty excited. And as soon as I get, the first thing is to get it to start, and then I will get it to look a lot better, because you see it got rust, new wheels maybe, yeah, stuff like that. So that'll be pretty nice. And I have this as my daily for now. I know I said that I wanted a cabriolet earlier, but yeah. It ended up with a sedan, but maybe a convertible really later, I don't know. So this will be looking really good very soon, and I also maybe want to throw on my Throwing Stars wheels. Yeah, throw on my Throwing Stars wheels, which look like this. So that'll be nice. The engine is not starting at the moment, as I just said. You can hear a clip of me trying to start it right now. And this was with seriously fully charged battery, so something is clearly wrong. I think the starter motor is pretty bad, and I think the battery is too small. I don't know, you can check it out. But for 325, I think you need a larger battery than this cutie little pie right here. Look how small it is. It should be from, like, not here, but here to, it stops right here. It should be to here maybe. So I don't know what this is, but it's a cute little thing, and I maybe need a larger battery. It came with some air filters, and yeah, radiator needs to be fitted, and the fan. So yeah, so that will be nice. Also, it got a flat on the front tire, so the car is not in the best condition right now. But anyways, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and I hope you're excited, just as excited as I am on the new project on my lovely E36 323. Oh, sorry, I said wrong. 325. 325, sorry. So I hope you're as excited as I am on my new project, 325 manual. So it'll be pretty nice. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe if you did, and more videos is coming very, very soon.